Hi guys, we're looking at the Stacyc E12 for my son. In this video, as you're watching, he is 2.5 years old. We ended up buying this for his 3rd birthday. And from 3 years old all the way up till he's 6 now. And he went from the E12 to the E16 brushless. And now he's riding a TTR 50. I think it's really important that you start him off young. This is the smallest version. He outgrew this bike within 6 months. We ended up going to the E16 brushless, and he progressed right out of that. He kept taking out the rear ends. Okay, in this video, he just got his bike. He has literally been riding for 3 days. We ended up taking out the slow mode. We put it on the medium speed. And, you know, if you ride something that's too slow, you can't really get good balance. So we ended up putting it at full throttle. And he just accelerated. It was really fun to watch. We have him out here in the hayfield, just put a couple little bumps, and he just picked it up super fast. Whoa. Yeah, all right, flip it. Yeah. That was sick, do it again. Hey you guys, thanks for all the positive comments I got on that last video about the Stacyc. I would highly recommend the E12 and the E16 brushless. Even though we had a little bit of trouble with the brushless motor, I would definitely recommend both of them. And your kids are gonna love them. They're safe, and man, get out there and ride with your boys, because time is short and you'll thoroughly enjoy it. Thanks again for watching. Like and subscribe. Catch you next time on Family Life with Ben and Tawny. Thanks.